Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find user manual for your earbuds TOZO Tonal Dots. You have to start by open TOZO application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to go to the settings at the right top. Then you need to click at the question mark icon at the right top and it will open user manual for us. Okay, yeah, we have it. And right here you can find some information for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!